Hey everybody, this is How You Play Whiskey Glasses by Morgan Wallen. It's one of my favorite songs. He's like my favorite. So it's super easy. It's just 4 chords the entire time. They stay the same order. They never change. First thing you want to do, put Capo on the 4th fret on the guitar, and then you're going to do D, A, B, and G. Okay, so you just do those over and over through the verses, through the chorus, through everything. All right, so the way that the verses go is that you palm mute it. All right, so that's when you put your hand on the strings, but you want to put it, I don't know if you can see that too well, you want to put it as low as you can on the string, so you're like only touching like the bottom as little as possible, okay? So it makes it sound like that. So you do that. So it starts D, A, B, G, okay? Pour me another drink, 'cause I don't wanna feel a thing no more, hell no. I just wanna sip until the pain wears off. Okay, so then it just starts over. So that was D, A, B, G, and it goes back to pour me. Alright, so then he just does it again. Now the difference from the verses to the chorus is just that he's not palm muting anymore. Alright, so then it's I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses. See, so then it just does the same thing. Now the one time that the strumming is different, I don't know if you noticed, I was just doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you just do down the whole. You could do it like that, but I just like it. I think it sounds best. I think that's how they play it, it's just down. Okay, the one time it's different is in the bridge after the second chorus. So that's when he's like, line 'em up, 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 knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, as if she ain't ever coming back. All right, so the difference there is you're doing a strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. Okay, that's the whole thing. And then when you get back to, 'cause if she ain't ever coming back, I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Okay, that's all you do. So it's a super easy song. I hope you guys love it. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's any other songs you want me to play. And again, make sure you subscribe. Thanks.